Okay, this is how I prune my tomatoes in the fall once the rains have begun. They get a lot more sunshine this way and doesn't hold water so well. There's some more. As you can see, I've really canned a lot and given away some for another friend to can. And I have just really a lot more to do. So it's kind of a fun look, I think. And let's see. Here's some more. I want to show you something that has come up. So I have some sort of squash that came up here. And a tomato that is blooming. So that's interesting. I'll show you something else. My late sunflowers are there. And I might have to go the other way so you can see it better. I have a few, I think 4 more melons. Looks like 3 honeydew, because there's one here on the ground, and 1 cantaloupe. Everything's really slowing down. Here is one of my, it's just beginning obviously. Here we go. Let me see if I can get it. Armenian cucumbers. There's not very many on, but we will enjoy whichever ones are. You can see the vines are really dying back. Here's some more little melons. More tomatoes. These ones did not have as many on them to begin with, but that's okay. Flowers are gorgeous. I love these sunflowers. Let's look at this other sunflower back here and see if there's any honeybees on it. I don't see any right now. But anyhow, I'm really happy that the second crop of sunflowers are blooming so nicely. So you can just kind of see they really are beautiful. Oh, here we got some bee action going. Let's see if you can see it. Can you see that at all? Honeybees? That's what we're talking about. We're living way out in the country. I do have to deal with a lot of road noise. Take a look at this sky. Isn't this beautiful? Super beautiful. And I'm especially enjoying these gorgeous purple sweet peas. Definitely going to save some seed from them. Well, I'm going to take you to see one more thing. This rainbow chard's doing beautiful. I should have some. And I left all of these sunflowers up. Just let the bees get them, and then the birds. And in case you haven't ever seen what it looks like when they're empty, is this one empty? Oh, this one's not even empty, I don't think. Yes, it is. So it's empty, and traditionally they look a little bit more like this one.